Hi, this is Chaw. This video is lab number 4 for the exercise 4-2, number 11. So this one I do to practice to coding the program by using the if then else statement. So here's it. I'm going to use the LED as the indicator. That's how the potentiometer works. This diagram is already provided in the assignment. So here is have the 5 volt from the board and connect to the breadboard. It have the resistor. It have a diode. Alright, so the red one is connect to I'm pretty sure that on this side is a ground, and this one is oh no, I'm sorry, this one is power, and this one is connect to the 0, and this one is go to the this one act like an output from potentiometer, and it's gonna read by the analog port. That's it gonna convert as an input to write on the LED pin number 3, and I think that's it. So let's see to the open, and you will see the value is 500. So we didn't see anything, and then when I turn the drive to this side, the light on, and see the value is over 600. And then what if turn it down so the lights go off, and turn it up again and turn it down. Thank you. This is the video for exercise 4-3 14. This one we gonna do with the light tracker. So here's is my wiring. I have the 5 volt to supply the board, and take it to breadboard, and ground to here. And the light tracker is have 3 wire. The white is a signal, the red is a positive, the black is a ground. So connect the ground to ground, and power to power, and the signal I take it to analog input, because the this light tracker is a analog sensor. And for the output, I use the LED as the output too, while have the other output, to see the what happened in the program by the serial monitor. So the green one is for if light tracker detect a black color, and the red one is for detect white color. So this light tracker is it can read the value from 0 to 1023. So if it's 0, I set at detect the white object. And if over 500, so I set the value as a black object. If the other color beside this, I do as a color unknown. So I'm gonna plug it in and see what is happening. Here is a tether, black and white, and I'm gonna try to use this. So start with the white one. The white, and the LED red is turn on. Black is LED green turn on, and is set up. Thank you. This is the exercise 4-4, number 14. So this assignment, I'm gonna do control 3 LED by 3 push bottom. So this one SI is a push bottom number 1, this one SI as push bottom number 2, and this one SI as push bottom number 3. So the assignment was said that if I push the first one, it's gonna make the green one turn on, and I put the number 2, the LED, the red one is gonna turn on and the other turn off. And when I'm push number 1 and number 2 together, it's gonna turn on number 3. And when I push the number 3, it's gonna turn off all of the LED. How I'm wiring, so I have the ground connect to the ground in the breadboard, and 5V connect to the breadboard. And this one, the push bottom, be I wiring as the pull up resistor. So when writing into the code, we don't need to do like a input pull up, because it's a hard wiring that already register the so to assign the pin is no longer is a floating pin. All right, so let's see how it works. I'm gonna try to turn on the green one. All right, it still stay on, and I'm gonna turn on the number 2. It's gonna be red. The other is turned off, and the red, just only red is turned on. And I'm gonna push it together. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be yellow turn on, and when I turn it off, I mean push number 3, gonna turn it off, and let's try number 1, and then I turn off number 2, and then turn off, and push it together, and then turn off. And let's see some code. So the code is pretty straightforward. This is lab for that file number 21. So this one, the assignment has the photoresistor, photo transistor to control 3 LED. So the photo transistor is analog type, so is have the input to A1 and then give the information to digital pin to turn on each light, turn on at each LED. So it's the LED port is have 10, 11 and 12. Photoresistor has the it change the resistance value depend on the concentrate of the light. So the value is vary from 0 to 1050. How to control the code that write on the Arduino is if the port is read the value between 350 to 500, it's gonna turn the yellow on. It means that it's gonna digital write on pin number 10 is a high. And if the value is between 100 to 350, it's gonna turn the red on by use the function digital write pin number 11 as a high. And the last one is if the value less than 100, it's gonna turn on the green one. So if the value more than 500, it means like it's more bright, so it's gonna turn off 3 of LCD. So I'm gonna download and then see how it's happened. So right now the green pin is turned on because the value is less than 100. So in here we cannot see what the value is, so I'm gonna show in the serial monitor. And here's is the code. So I'm gonna change the concentrate of the light by use the flashlight. Then cut it off.
So it's gonna turn it off. Okay. I think it's because of the value that I set is too high. Turn it off. Okay, this one is turn it off. So you can see the value is going high, more than 500.